Welcome all the students for getting information about GRE. This is very popular examination across the globe. GRE long form is Graduate Record Examinations. GRE is Graduate Record Examinations, and the examination is conducted for admissions into MS courses in the USA, MBA courses outside India, admissions to masters and doctoral degree programs in various universities. The administrator, that is the organizing body of this examination, is ETS, that is Educational Testing Service. Examination mode is computer and paper delivered test. Medium of examination, of course, it is English. Website, official website which is concerned with the application and everything about the examination is www.ets.org. Application mode for this examination is online. Let us see the format of GRE examination. It is in two tests pattern. It is GRE general test and GRE subject test. So GRE general test is the standard exam that tests students' verbal reasoning, quantitative reasoning and analytical writing skills. Now, as we know that the graduates are from various subjects, GRE subject test is for specific courses. A GRE subject test might be required by the college, as the GRE subject test focuses on judging the candidate's expertise in specific fields. Now see GRE general computer based test. There are a few sections. Then how many sections are there in this particular area? Number of questions and duration. Verbal reasoning is the section where you can have again two parts. Number of questions, 20 questions per section, and duration is 60 minutes, and it means 30 minutes per section. Quantitative reasoning, there are again two parts and 20 questions per section. 70 minutes is the duration, 35 minutes per section is the time allotted. Analytical writing, where one section with two separately timed tasks are given. Now one analyze an issue and one analyze an argument task. These are the two questions, and for each question there is 30 minutes time duration, total 60 minutes for analytical writing. Now one unidentified unscored section where there is variation, and similarly one identified research section where there is variation, they can ask anything. Total 6 sections are there, and questions total involved, they are 82. Total duration for GRE general computer based test is 3 hours and 45 minutes. Now let us see GRE general paper based test. Okay, now sections are informed. Verbal reasoning, number of sections are 2, 25 questions per section, and the duration is 70 minutes, that is 35 minutes per task. I am talking about paper based test. Okay, GRE general paper based test. Quantitative reasoning, number of sections are 2, 25 questions per section, and time duration is 80 minutes. Analytical writing, number of sections are 2 and time is 30 minutes per task, that is 60 minutes in total. Like in the computer test, one identified unscored section is also there in GRE general paper based test, and where there is variation, they can have the flexibility, and one identified research section. Total sections are 6 and number of questions are 102 in paper based test. Total duration is 3 hours and 30 minutes, which was 3 hours and 45 minutes in computer based test. Now for paper based test it is 3 hours 30 minutes. Let us see GRE subject test examination pattern, paper based format only. GRE subjects are biology, chemistry, English literature, mathematics, physics and psychology. Let us see how many number of questions there are approximately. Biology 188 questions, 5 choice based questions, and the testing time, that is total duration, is 2 hours and 50 minutes. For chemistry the questions approximately are 130. The type of question is multiple choice question, MCQ, and time is 2 hours 50 minutes. For every subject the time duration is 2 hours and 50 minutes. English literature 230 questions. Types of questions are environmental applications. Then mathematics 66 questions and multiple choice questions. Then physics 100 questions, 5 choice based questions are there. Again, time duration is 2 hours and 50 minutes. Psychology 205 questions approximately, and 5 choice based questions, 2 hours and 50 minutes is the time duration. Let us see the various parameters. Frequency of examination for GRE test, it is eligibility age is frequency of examination is continuously throughout the year. It is not once in a year and that, but it is continuously happening throughout the year. Complete flexibility with the students. Okay, they can spare the time as per their comfort. According to their available time, they can appear for this examination. So GRE examination frequency is continuously throughout the year. Age eligibility, there is no restriction of age for GRE examination. Okay, many of the students, they don't know, that is, they don't have this information, but eligibility age, there is no restriction. Now eligibility qualification wise, a graduate degree in any discipline from a recognized university, not only engineering, not only few reputed, I will say, the popular courses, but almost all the graduate degrees, the discipline from a recognized university, it is the students are eligible for appearing to the GRE examination. Number of attempts, computer based test, if it is computer based test, then can be taken only once after 21 days. So there should be gap of 21 days from the day of exam in every year. Maximum of 5 times in a year, you can appear for 5 times in a year, and the gap that is, it is 21 days from the date of exam next exam. Then paper based test can be taken as often as it is offered. Okay, score validity for GR examination, it is not 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, it is 5 years. Score validity is for 5 years, and this is a very good thing for the aspirants for the next course using GRE score. Now GRE general exam syllabus, GRE analytical writing is there, GRE verbal reasoning is there, GRE quantitative reasoning is there. When we see syllabus, GRE analytical writing, analyze an issue and analyze an argument. Already we have seen the structure of the examination. In GRE verbal reasoning, basic sentence structure, nouns and pronouns, adjectives, like grammar part is there. So verb, tense, idioms, idiomatic expressions, pronoun, argument, and subject, verb agreement, modifiers, parallelism. So the things which are already covered in our graduation level related to English, but you have to take the special efforts for verbal reasoning if you want to score good. Now GRE quantitative reasoning, there are the variety of problems are there, but the syllabus, we can say that ratio and proportion, simple and compound interest, permutation and combination, quadratic equations, statistics, probability, lines and angles. So you can see this the already in previous examinations we have seen this particular thing, but more care is to be taken to be perfect in giving answers. So polygon, circles, order of operations, then percentage, profit and loss, speed, distance and time, linear equations, sets theory, power and roots, pipes. These are the various areas where they can ask the questions like volume and surface area, like this. Now GRE subject test syllabus, we have seen in the structure that biology, chemistry, literature and English, mathematics, physics and psychology, these are the subjects. GRE biology subject, what we see in the syllabus, the test consists of approximately 195 questions and related to biology, and the topics include cellular and molecular biology, ecology and evolution. And then in chemistry, analytical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and physical chemistry. In English literature, we see literary analysis, identification, cultural and historical context, history and theory of literary criticism. In mathematics syllabus, we see algebra, calculus and additional topics at the undergraduate level. In physics, we see electromagnetism, optics and wave phenomenon, thermodynamics, statistical mechanics, quantum mechanics, atomic physics, physical relativity, laboratory methods and specialized topics. So science students, they get some more benefit in such subjects where you need to have solved the examples also. Then psychology, now this is subject which is related to arts people. Psychology syllabus, there is biological, cognitive, developmental, social, clinical and measurement methodological issues related to psychology. So this was about the GRE examination structure. you better understand the examination when you are prepare for the course, and when you prepare and you are completely aware about the examination, you prepare in proper way, then you can appear for GR examination. There is complete flexibility that you can see. And all the best from careerseva.com for all the students who are appearing for or thinking for GR exam.